Therefore, if anyone is in Christ, the new creation has come, the old has gone, the new is here. 2 Corinthians chapter 5 verses 17. Hello beautiful family, a very warm welcome back to the Lovely Starch Food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. If you're an OG on this channel, you will definitely know that I love this nutritious and very simple Ghanaian Ashanti delicacy. Today I'm making the famous and very delicious Ampesi with some eggplant sauce. It is absolutely delicious. If you want to impress an Ashanti king or queen at home, please be sure to stay tuned, because this is going to take your love story to the whole different level. They're going to give you so much money. They're going to love you and cannot stop loving you. So please stay tuned and let's get right into it. So for the ingredients today, I have my eggplant, some palm oil, my yam, and some avocados. And for the source of protein, I'll be using some smoked mackerel, some salted tilapia, which is koobi, and some eggs. And I also have some tomato, habanero pepper, onions, and some peanuts on the side. Of course, some salt to taste. These are all the simple ingredients you need for this recipe right here. I'll go ahead and also list it below in the description box. All right, so to begin with, I'll go ahead and wash my eggplant very well. There is a twist to this. I'm not going to peel it off instantly. I am going to wash it very nice and cut them into smaller pieces, and I'll also go ahead and make a little bit of incision on the side so that it will be very easy for me to peel off the skin once it's been cooked. Okay, this is a tip I'm giving you. It is very nutritious as well. The skin to every vegetable is so nutritious, so please let's take note of that. Okay, so once I'm done cutting and washing it, I'll then go ahead and put in my pot, and I'll add my other vegetables, which are the pepper and the tomatoes. I'll add a little bit of water and put it on fire, and I'll cook it for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until it is nice and soft. Okay, now we're done with preparing our vegetables. Now let's go ahead and treat our yam as it deserves to be treated very well. So to begin with, I'll go ahead and wash it very well. Today's way of cooking the yam, we're not going to peel off the yam at all, and for that reason it's very important to wash it very well. We all know that yams are root plants and they are just taken from the earth, so it comes out very dirty. So we're going to take out all the dirt by washing it very well. Did you know why I'm doing this? It is because the skin of the yam has been tested very well, and it contains lots of proteins and lots of vitamin B complex, which is very good for our health. So throwing all that away seems to me that we are just going to enjoy all the sugars. Yes, yam contains lots of sugars, and if you also cook it in its skin like this, you are somewhat controlling the amount of sugars that you end up given to your body. So if you're here and you've been advised by the doctors not to consume too much yam, then this is the way you have to start cooking your yam, because it is going to absorb all the sugars and it will end up not messing up with your blood sugar levels. Okay, please let's take note and let's start cooking the yam the right way. In the very olden days, this is exactly how they cooked their yam. We did not know the science behind it, but they sure knew what they were doing. Now that we've done all our research, we've come to terms that this is the very best way to enjoy your yams. If you're a very big fan of yam, I will highly recommend that you start cooking your yam this way, just so that you do not have any complication later in your days. Okay, it is absolutely great this way. So I'll go ahead and add my eggs and also season with a bit of salt, and I'll add about 2 cups of water, and then I will go ahead and add my salted tilapia. Mind you, this has been soaked in water for about a whole day, so we don't have too much salt left. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and put it on fire. This has to be cooked for about for about 15 to 20 minutes on a low to medium heat. And as you can see, it is cooking very well and the eggplants are very nice and soft now. So I'm going to turn off the heat and just begin by making my sauce or abomu. All right, so I'm using the local grinder, aka apotoyoa or asanka. It works so well, but if you do not have one at home, you may use your blender using your pulse button. Okay, so I begin with my white onions and the peanuts, and I'll just go ahead and grind it as much as I can. Very smooth. Take a little bit of the authenticity out, so it should be partially smooth. You know, it has to be a bit of texture in it. So once I'm done, I'll go ahead and add my boiled pepper and tomato. You may also decide to roast your tomatoes instead, but today I chose to boil it. It is easier for me, and I'll go ahead and grind until everything is nicely mixed together. This is very fun for us. It's a fun activity for us in the house. The kids always love to join. They love to use the asanka to just grind things, and I love them for that. So once I'm done, I'll then go ahead and peel off the eggplant. As I said, it is so easy to peel once it's soft. It also helps to also absorb all the nutrients that the skin has to offer as well. Okay, it is best to use garden eggs, but it's very difficult for me to find some where I live, so I always opt for eggplants. As they are in the same family, it really works well with this as well. And you may go ahead and use the same process with your garden eggs as well. Okay, so you go ahead and grind until everything is well uniformed. And what I like to do is also add a bit of the water that I use in boiling the eggplant and the vegetables. They're very good and has lots of vitamins in there as well. It also helps to easing up the whole sauce a little bit. Okay, so here we are done. It's now time to taste and season with salt according to your preference. Okay, so now our sauce is almost done, but it is not complete without our palm oil. So I'm going ahead to just fry our palm oil with a bit of onions and some of the smoked mackerel. The infusion of both the onions and the mackerel will give this palm oil such a great flavor. If you have momone or the salted cured fish at home, you could just definitely add some here for even more extra yummy flavors. Okay, allow this to fry for about 1 to 2 to 3 minutes or until the onions are nicely caramelized. All right, so that is it. That's everything to combine and just wait for all the infusions to happen. Okay, it's time now for us to join it to the sauce. It makes everything nice and glossy, and it's the sounds for me. Now our meal is almost done. Everything has come together so well. Oh, how I love this amazing dish. It is so good, filling, pocket friendly, and very nutritious. That is what I love about this. And now we're checking our yam the last time. It's nicely cooked, very soft as so it's now the perfect time for us to put the last bits of this meal together, which is our koobi, our eggs, our avocados, and of course the yam. It is absolutely so delicious, smells so amazing. You could add anything of choice here. You may even go ahead and add more eggs if that's what you love. We absolutely enjoy this dish so much. It's always a plus when you finally open your avocados and you see them nice and very pretty like this. It's soft and very delicious. It just make everything look so perfect. For now, I'm going to put everything together, and now our yam. Now just have a look at how pretty it looks. If in Ghana we have a term called aniniegu, you know that the yam have absorbed all the nutrients that it needs to give. It might really surprise you to know that the peel of this yam contains a high level of vitamin B complex, and it's also very high in protein as well. Earlier in this video, I've also said a lot about the diabetic patient, so please go ahead and enjoy your yams. Cooking it this way, it is absolutely delicious. So there you have it. We are done. Everything is set to be enjoyed. Just look how pretty it is. It is so delicious, and my Ashanti king was very happy today enjoying this meal. Please go ahead and let all the Ashanti kings and queens enjoy this. You're going to absolutely love it. And if you're not from Ghana and you're willing to try, please go ahead and try it. You will absolutely love it. Please go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you did enjoy this recipe, and also if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovey's Touch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to enjoy more amazing recipes from the country, Ghana and beyond. All right, thank you so much for watching. Once again, I always adore and admire you for watching right to the end. Please always know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day. Bye.